Alright, so the bot is all charged now and it's made a map. Let's see how it goes. So you can use the app to launch it, or you can use voice commands. You can do all sorts of things. For now, I'll just try pushing a button.
Start cleaning. Please make sure there is sufficient water in the clean water tank.
Okay, well, there is water. Here we go. What are you going to do, Mr. Bot? I guess it's slipping down some water. Oh yeah, that's what's going on right now. Wow. I wonder if I'll disrupt it if I have a peek. Okay, something's going on. I guess it's running some water through there for the first time. Putting something in the dirty water tank. Yep, okay. And here we go. Oh, look at the little thing spinning. Okay, what will it do now? Well, it find the strategic bits of dirt and stick that I've left lying around. And when I say strategic, that's actually not really true. They just happen to be there. Yeah, don't come towards me. Oh, found some, yep, sucked it up. I wonder if it's coincidence that it's hitting at me. Okay, off you go down the corridor. Just going to lift a little shoelace out to see what happens. There's this thing on the ground. Will it find that? We'll see.